Okay, so here's my second video, and I wanted to do a little advertisement for my Etsy shop. But first I forgot to say Happy Father's Day to my dad and my father-in-law. And I know my dad sometimes watches these videos, so he might see this. And he's not in town right now, so I'm not sure if he's watching YouTube. But Happy Father's Day, Dad. I have one more of these in my Etsy shop, and these are the packs that I use to make some clusters, like, I didn't get the clusters out, this. So if you've seen that video, I made some different ones. So it has these cards in it, and I have one pack left. So if you were eyeing that, you might want to get it before it's gone. I'm not going to make any more of them. Lots of blue things, a little surprise in there. What is this called? Cheesecloth that I dyed. Woo! So, some lace, of course, tea-dyed library cards. So that is my little advertisement for that pack. And then I have some new things in my shop, including I have these, which, oh my gosh, I found these and I couldn't resist. And so I'm going to use them, but I am making some packs for my shop too. But look at this. I don't even know what these are. International favorites. So you get 25 cards plus one of the larger index cards. These are from 1971, and they are Betty Crocker. So everyone is different. So you might get this package, or you might get another one. It's just, I have them all packaged up. So look at that. Oh, yum. If you have not gone to the South and had a pound cake, put it on your bucket list, because it's yummy. They make pound cake so yummy down there. Anyway, fun things from the 70s. Look at that. Oh, cucumber salad. And I think that's with Jell-O. Yep, Jell-O. Lime flavored Jell-O. So anyway, a lot of things that we might not eat anymore. A lot of things that we might still. Ham waffles. So that is in my Etsy shop. And then, oh, I have some keys I want to show you. These are the coolest thing that I came across and I had to buy. And I have a lot of them. So these are some of them that are the smaller kind. So there's all different sizes. And they have some natural patina on them. Can you see how color that is? That is natural patina. These are just as they come, and some of them are really tiny. Like this one is, it's probably one of the tiniest ones. Let's see, these are both pretty tiny. They are like 1.5 inches, less than 1.5 inches. And then I have some bigger ones. So you'll get a whole bunch. I think I said 35, but I think I threw in 36 on, at least 36 on each of them. But you could make altered keys. These would be great for the edge of a journal. So yeah, I have that in my shop. And then I've been playing around. Well, I have the digital downloads, right? So I have some of those, and those are like the ones I just showed you on my other video, but like these, but they print out white. Okay, so they print out white, and they're beautiful botanical floral images, and you could distress them like I did. I printed them out on tea stain paper, or I think actually I printed them out on white paper and then I tea stained them. So I printed them with a laser printer. So there's that. And then I'm also working on a package, and I just don't know the shipping yet. So maybe I will put this up once I know the shipping. But I have a Fern pack. And what I mean by that is everything in here is related to ferns. So I hand carved a stamp and it's a fern leaf. And then I printed it. This is canvas duck cloth that's been tea dyed, and so I stamped it. So I'm actually going to use this on the cover of a journal, one of them. So they're like patches. They could be used for tuck spots or all sorts of things. So I stamped them with printmaking ink on cloth, and then I also stamped them with 3 different Tim Holtz colored distress inks, not oxide. So there's, you got a light, a medium, and a dark. And then I also stamped it with, I think it's this vintage photo, just on a green. This was a file folder. And then I actually took the fern, and I couldn't help myself. I stamped them with, this is PBO's Dyna inks, and I don't think you're going to be able to see, but it is like green and yellow. Let's see, maybe this one. This one is green and blue, or blue and green, and it's like iridescent, and I don't know how to show you that with this light, but it is stunning. And I was so proud of myself. Let me see if I can get an iridescence. You kind of see the iridescence there, but not really. Anyway, these are white on white tags. Look at how beautiful that printed. So they're all a little bit different. Use different fern. You know, each time was a different fern. So you get 2 of the green, yellow green, green gold, and then you get 2 of the blue green in the pack. And then I took some of my eco-dyed papers and I scanned them. So this is 3 copies. It's printed out, so everything's printed out, nothing's digital. I printed it out for you. This is like on a 90 weight card, and this would be great. You can cut these out. This would be good for an ATC. It's about that size. It's 2 by 3 approximately. So and isn't that beautiful? It's just a beautiful image. So I printed those out for you with a laser printer, so you can tea stain this or get it wet. And then I also printed out on a laser printer 4 book plates, and this is on sticky paper, so you know you can peel this off. So I'm going to put this in my Etsy shop. Isn't that cool? I am going to put these in my books too. So those are bigger. Those are, and you could cut it down, but those are 3.5 by 4.5, 4 5/8 or so. So they all fit into this little envelope. It's not little. It's a 9 by 6 envelope. So that's what you're going to get in the Fern kind of pack, and I'm super excited because I carved this stamp and I just wanted to share it with you all. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and I'm going to be back with another video. I will put the link in the description box below to my Etsy shop where some of these things are being sold. Thank you. Bye-bye.